Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Pixel phone which is having no signal on your Verizon. And here's a guide for your network and SIM troubleshooting. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Fix 1, you need to confirm your Verizon 5G compatibility. Verify your specific Pixel model works on Verizon's 5G network before troubleshooting. Unlocked or non-Verizon specific Pixel 4a, which is 5G plus models may cause signal mismatches. So you need to check Google's certified carrier list for your hardware. Fix 2, SIM settings and airplane mode. For that, open your settings, go to network, select SIMs to ensure mobile data and use SIM are toggled on. Toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then off to force a fresh network handshake. Fix 3. Check actual signal strength. Turn off your Wi-Fi and check the triangle icon in the top right corner. The more filled the triangle, the stronger the mobile signal. Contact your Verizon to verify coverage in your current location if signal is slow. Fix 4, SIM activation and inspection. If the carrier name is grayed out, your SIM may be inactive or is missing. Eject the tray and check for damage, dirt, or dust on the SIM card. Clean the card with a microfiber cloth before reinserting. Fix 5, testing and physical checks. Test with another SIM card or try your SIM in a different phone. Remove your phone cases to ensure it isn't interfering with antennas. Shut down the phone for 30 seconds before testing again. Fix 6, reset mobile network settings. Go to settings and then select system. Select reset options. Then select reset mobile network settings. This clears mobile configurations without wiping other phone data. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also do hit the subscribe button.